Hello students, hope you are good and staying home. This is your mathematics teacher Gurkamal Singh, and today I am here to deliver you a lesson on rational numbers. That is your first chapter of class 8th. So basically I have written this one here only, rational numbers. So coming to the previous class, so starting with the natural numbers. Okay, so as we have already studied about the natural numbers that start from 1, 2, 3 and just your counting only. The next, whole numbers. So whole numbers are the numbers just only in the natural numbers, just 1 0 is included in this. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. The natural numbers plus 0. Next, the most important, that is the integers. So this I will be making here a number line first. So 0, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so this side -1, -2, -3. So basically on the right side we are having the positive numbers and the left side we are having the negative numbers. So now all these numbers basically constitute the integers. So this 0, this is also an integer only. The next, the fractions. So the fractions is basically any number which you can express in the form of a by b. So I've written here a by b, and here b should not be equal to 0. That will be coming later. So why this b is not equal to 0? So now this a and b should be whole numbers first. This one is the most important thing that we have to keep in mind, that a and b should be whole numbers. Now coming, why this b is not equal to 0? Okay, so if I am saying here a number, in this the denominator will be equal to 0 then. Okay, if I am saying here a number, the 5 by 0. Okay, so suppose this value exists. So if I am taking this value equals to x, okay, this 0 can go here. That will be equal to 5 equals to x multiplied by 0. So you would say this condition can exist? No, this condition can never exist. So anything that multiplied by 0 will be 0 only. So 0 cannot be equal to 5 or any other number. So that's why we are saying b should not be equal to 0. Now coming to our topic, that is rational numbers. Okay, so rational number is just similar to the fractions only. So rational number, again I can say, the number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where q should not be equal to 0. The only difference is that here p and q should be integers. Okay, so I can say simply the natural number, the whole number, the integers, the fraction all come under rational numbers. Okay, so now if I am saying here a number 1, okay, I have written here the number 1. So you can say this is not in the form of p by q, but I can write this form in the form of p by q. So I can write 1 by 1. Okay, if I am saying the number 0 only. So yes, 0 is also a rational number. I can write 0 by 1. We can write 0 by 2. 0 by 5. Okay, so all these are rational numbers.